Mr. Vice President, we take this opportunity to raise our serious concern over Kuwait's human rights violations, particularly committed against the Bidun stateless minority. Being deemed illegal residents, the Biduns face severe restrictions of their basic human rights and are denied access to education, healthcare and employment. Furthermore, the Kuwaiti government continues to target the Bidun through mass arrest, detention and other extra-legal attempts to curtail public and civil society efforts advocating for the rights of the minority. Recently, Kuwaiti authorities have arbitrarily arrested more than a dozen peaceful protesters, demanding equal rights for the Kuwait stateless population. Among those, prominent human rights defender Abdulhakim Al-Fadli has been heavily targeted and arrested over 5 times for his activism. This series of arrests took place in July 2019, following peaceful demonstrations held in response to عايد حمد Muda'th's death, a young Bidun boy who committed suicide due to his frustration over being denied identification papers allowing him to study, work and obtain access to public services. The Bidun population continued to be subjected to torture and abuse at the hands of the Kuwaiti police and security forces, particularly during attempts to exercise their rights to free expression and assembly. With this regard, the Bidun rapport the Kuwaiti government's routine prohibition of their gathering in public space under Article 12 of the 1979 Public Gatherings Law. Also, Bidun and other stateless persons or non-citizens in Kuwait claim having inhibited freedom of movement. Mr. Vice President, these discriminatory and stigmatizing practices run contrary to the state's expressed support of the related recommendations during the second UPR cycle. We call upon this Council to pressure the government of Kuwait to take substantive action to promote and protect human rights, and especially those of its marginalized stateless population. I thank you, Mr. Vice President.
Thank you.